This is a Land Rover station wagon where its heritage lines meet modern muscle. This is Project Rutland. Under its Zermatt Silver body and Narvik Black roof lies a 6.2 litre V8 powerhouse, engineered for every climb, every horizon. The stance is unmistakable. 18-inch custom Sawtooth wheels, BFG all-terrain tyres, and a sports dual exhaust with black ceramic tips that growl with a purpose. A worn winch, front style cage, LED lighting, and a swing-away wheel carrier announce that this Defender is built to lead. Step inside and tradition meets luxury. Corbeau sport seats wrapped in black Hyde leather with silver stitching, heated for comfort in every season. A suede headliner above and an E.C.D custom console keep every detail purposeful and refined. Modern tech quietly empowers the cabin. Touchscreen stereo with CarPlay, Pioneer audio, seamlessly integrated into a timeless design. A vehicle truly built to define the journey ahead.